Hi guys, this is Swati. Welcome back to our channel. So today's video is going to be super important. It's because today we are doing birthday dresses haul, and I have a huge pretty collection of pretty birthday dresses that can come into your dreams, and I'm not even kidding about it. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So starting off with the one that I have personally ordered for my birthday, I have got this beautiful dress from Savannah, and I cannot shut up about it because it is literally the prettiest dress. Savannah is literally killing it. I am not doing any partnership or sponsored in this video, but literally this one has to be my favorite dress of all time. So let me put it on and show you how it looks.
And this is what it looks like. You just need to fix up the bow. It's completely attachable and detachable at the same time. Plus the fabric of this cloth is not what that we normally wear. It's something very different. Plus the length of this dress is also pretty good, and if your parents are strict about dressing up and showing skin, then this is perfect for that because it does not show a little bit of skin at all.
So we have this dress that I'm already wearing, and this one is pink in color. The satin fabric is literally killing it. I had zero expectation from this dress because the image was not giving at all, but I got this because my friend told me to buy this, and the moment I saw it, I literally, I don't know how to explain this, but I really love this dress, and I think I'm gonna wear both of them on my birthday, which is tomorrow on 8th September. So let me put it on and show you how it looks.
Fitting of this dress is so pretty, plus the color is so bright and pink. It is a perfect shade of pink that I wanted from so long, and I'm sure that you love that shade too, but I don't know why it's not looking the same in this video like the way it looks in reality. But trust me, this is the prettiest dress that you can get for your birthday, I'm sure.
Next we have this beautiful tube dress, and this is scarf. So it has all over rose printed on it, and it looks so beautiful in reality. I don't know why it's looking so dull in this video, but it looks really cute. Plus it gives a perfect shape to your body without even wearing shapewear or whatever we call those things.
Dress is super bright and super pretty. I don't know why it looks like this in different phone and screens, but trust me, you can definitely go for this. And the quality, the way it snatches your body, the length, the scarf, everything is so pretty good, and it could be styled in 3 different ways as well. And the fabric is pretty stretchable, plus it's completely non-transparent, so you can definitely go for this one.
Next we have this beautiful black dress, which is from Little Box India. It has beautiful puffs on it, plus this detailing on the chest area. It is sweetheart neck, plus this tie up thing in the back so that your sleeves does not fall out. Plus the quality of this dress is good. I have seen so many negative reviews about Little Box India's clothing and fabric thing, but I don't know why I'm loving it. It's thin, but it is not transparent, plus it is so comfortable, and it literally hugs your body.
This is one of the best black dress I have ever bought in my entire life. It's because the way it fits, the puff detailing and the sweetheart neck, the length, the cloth, everything is so amazing, and I can literally wear this every single day. It could be styled in different ways, so I'm definitely gonna make a reel about that too.
This dress is pretty cool. I ordered this to do my photo shoot for my birthday, but it's just a little bit loose for me. Not a little bit, but it is pretty loose for me, which is not good because I have ordered the correct size, which is small, and it is also in small, but I don't know why it's not fitting me. I really love this dress and I want to keep it, but it's just a little bit transparent, plus it is not fitting me at all, even when I have ordered the correct size, and I have got the correct size, so that's why I have to return this. It's review time. So all of these dresses are pretty good according to their price, the quality, the fabric, everything is top notch. I only have issue with this one, so if you want, you can still get this if you can manage the transparency thing and the size issue. But trust me, the white one, pink one, the tube dress plus the black dress, all of these are so pretty, and I'm not kidding. I'm not trying to sell you those for like my profit, but they're literally so good. So if you can get them, just go for it and you are definitely gonna thank me later. I'm gonna put all the links in the description, so don't forget to check that out. And I'm also gonna put the sizes that I have bought for all of these dresses. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I think that's it for today. And if you want more part of birthday dresses haul, let me know. I will make another haul for you with the most prettiest dress collection possible. So thank you so much, and I love you always. Bye bye.